Okay.
Yan po, ang pangalan lang ha. I-send lang sa 400 ang kasama ang name nyo, kompletong pangalan, at magkaroon chance na manalo ng voucher for chicken dinner meal para sa 5.
Now na.
5. Send na, now na.
This morning on the Business Breakfast. The Business.
Paul Griffiths, the CEO of Dubai Airports. How much are you spending on the improvements?
The total project at DXB is something like $7.8 billion. That's for Concourse 3, Concourse 4, and of course the 25% increase in the cargo mega terminal. And let's not forget of Terminal 2, which is undergoing its own extension to facilitate the growth of Fly Dubai. I don't know an airport in the world that's doing that amount of simultaneous expansion in one go. And we're planning to complete all of that $7.8 billion investment by 2018.
The Banter.
We were talking about bespoke Ferraris and things you'd like to put in them if you could wish anything into a car. I would love to have in my car the ability to turn down the volume of the passengers in it.
If I was designing my bespoke car, that I'd have a force field to keep other drivers away from me. Malcolm's dreaming of a bespoke Ferrari for Christmas.
A noise-cancelling Ferrari? Let me say mine's the one.
And tomorrow,
We'll be looking at what the future holds for the UAE's family businesses.
the UAE's most popular morning show, The Business Breakfast, featuring Malcolm Taylor and Brandy Scott. Weekday mornings from 6 with Al Rastamani Exchange and Do, the entrepreneur.
Are you the next business leader of the year? Do you know an exceptional young accountant? Or are you part of a successful finance team? The Middle East Accountancy and Finance Excellence Awards, organized by ICAEW, will recognize and celebrate professional excellence. Nominate now at accountancyandfinanceawards.ae. Proudly sponsored by Emirates MBD.
Roger is waiting for an important call.
Hello, this is Roger. Is that Spearhead Training?
No, this is Hashim. Is Andrew there?
Oh. Hello, this is Roger. Is that Spearhead?
No, this is Kumar. Is Habib there?
Oh.
What's up with you?
I've got the 13th place on a Spearhead sales course and I'm waitlisted. If someone cancels, they'll call me. I can't miss this chance.
Poor Roger. It doesn't pay to be number 13. Spearhead's courses are strictly limited to 12 delegates. To book, Google Spearhead Training Dubai or Abu Dhabi.
Suzanne here from Dubai Today, bringing you the Mindful Minute, a dose of perspective to those daily dilemmas with cross-cultural psychologist Samineh Shaheen.
The psychological act of hanging on to hate, resentment, and anger is referred to as bearing a grudge. There are some people who think that remaining bitter is a show of strength or victory over the disagreement. Unfortunately, this couldn't be further from the truth. Grudges, like all things that trigger stress, eventually cause destruction on our bodies as well as our minds. This lagoon of pent-up emotional poison can lead to anxiety, self-doubt, confusion, an inability to concentrate, sadness, hopelessness, and a whole host of other negative emotions that cripple our everyday existence. Being unforgiving is an expensive emotional and physical practice, but the emotionally intelligent individual understands that rebuilding a worthwhile relationship is much more of a mature option than harboring rage and anger. Communicate with the person, acknowledge the mistake made, apologize as a sign of respect, and move on. As the saying goes, to make a mistake is human, but to forgive is divine.
The Mindful Minute, helping to take the stress out of daily living.
This is Filipino Rhythm on Dubai Eye 103.8.
Make 360 degrees of contact.
Oras alas 11:07.
Call, text, click, play or watch. Our economy class keeps you in touch and entertained. Visit Emirates.com. Fly Emirates. Hello tomorrow.
Filipino Rhythm, brought to you by Al Ansari Exchange, close to you in Al Khaladia Spar and Bawabat Al Shark in Abu Dhabi. Al Ansari Exchange, your first choice.
Kayo po ay nakikinig sa programang Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Sa mga nag-tune in pa lang ngayon, ang topic po natin ay ang alam ko, ipapasa ko, at ang translation ng isa nag-text kanina ay I pay forward.
Pay forward.
Tama ba yun?
Paying forward, pwede rin. In a sense, di ba? Parang it's paying forward eh. What they have learned, what they have got, you know, kung ano yung na-receive nila, parang ganun yun. Pero, Baka meron pa silang ibang suggestion. Come on.
Okay.
You can 4001.
Tapos, yung mga nag-tune in pa lang ngayon, na yung tatlong guests na tayo, nag-share kanilang knowledge at sila po, mga trainers po sila. Yung una, si Engineer Milo Torres, siya po ang Dubai Media City accredited freelance artist and photographer. Siya po ang presidente ng Overseas Pinoy Professional Photographers Society. Si Ed Cabading naman, isang executive secretary, nagtuturo ng Excel. At isa naman, accountant, si Luis Rodelas, ay nagtuturo ng PowerPoint. Si Ed tapos si Luis ay mga taga Digerati. Ang pag-apat natin ay the only thorn among the roses. Baliktad. The only rose among the thorns. Siya po, ito, ibang kanyang skills na tinuturo. Siya po isang trainer sa balloon decoration. Balloons, nag-aral po siya ng dressmaking sa Pilipinas. Dumating po siya dito in 2006. So, halos 12 years, 6 years na po siya dito sa UAE. So, magandang gabi sa iyo, Myra Velonsa Ignacio. Good evening.
Good evening po sa kanilang lahat, sa lahat ng sa buong mundo. Binabati ko po yung mga kaibigan ko, lalo na sa mga, si Darlene, yung kasama ko at saka lahat ng nato sa studio.
About yung mga kapatid mo, meron kaya konti lang naman yung mga kapatid mo,
Opo, kaunti lang po.
Ilan sila?
Binabati ko po yung mga kapatid ko dito sa Dubai, 8 po kami dito, and then mga kaibigan ko sa, hindi ko nababatiin yung mga iba kasi maubusan tayo ng oras.
Sa'yo na lang tayo mag-concentrate.
Ibig sabihin, konti sila.
Myra, ano ba itong balloon making o balloon decoration? Bakit ba ito tinuturo?
Ito po napaka-interesting po itong mga to kasi para hindi lang po para sa yung parang decorations lang, para lang pa sa business as para sa ating kabuhayan, yung mga ganun.
Pero alam mo, Art and Daddy Blue, itong si Myra, nagtatanong ka kanina ng mga testimonials sa kanila kay Tito Ed, kay Milo, at saka kay Luis. Pero ito ang testimonial ni Luis kasi nag-aral ka daw sa klase nito.
Siya po ang first na naging teacher ko.
Sino?
Terror po.
Terror? Terror ka pala.
Si Luis?
Oo, si Luis.
Siya po talaga ang pinaka-first na trainer ko dito sa FDA, sa Filipino Digerati Association.
Okay.
Magkano nakuha mong premyo?
Wala po.
Wala.
Kasi yata, top 6 lang po yata.
Okay. Sige.
And then after that, nagsimula po ako sa as in, walang-wala as in here talaga. And then, nagumpisa ako dito sa FDA and then pataas na po hanggang nakarating po ako dito sa as a trainer as in the balloon scene.
Yung balloon, concentrate tayo sa balloon. Bakit kailangan mag-aral ng balloon making o balloon decoration o decor?
Business nga po.
Hindi lang po pang pasasarili natin. Business as in talaga.
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi magkano bang kikitain ng, let's say, kasi business na tayo ngayon, para madiretso, ba't ako mag-aaral ng paggawa ng balloon kung hindi ako kikita aside from magkakaroon ng kulay at buhay ang aking event, alright? Let's say, sa simpleng birthday ni Mang Ed, mag-celebrate ng birthday niya, so magkano yung gagastusin at magkano yung kikitain, let's say?
Depende po yan sa event. Depende po yan kung gaano kalaki yung yung venue or yung gaano
average.
Pinakamababa is mga 500 and then pinakamataas is mga 3,000 pataas.
Ang kita or ang sales? Ang charge?
Kita na
parang
ba?
Kita na rin na
kita
to.
Na.
Magkano ginastos?
Wala pa naman sa mga, hindi po naman sa one half, hindi naman. Depende po sa manpower nyo na gagamitin.
Depende sa balloon.
Depende sa balloon.
Hindi, balloon mura, yung mga taong
binabayaran. Manpower is mga taong mga kailangan mo para
tumulong sa'yo. Ano po bang kailangan pagka ikay gagawa ng
yung mga helper nyo, kailangan po yung para matapos yung mga
manual ba silang umiihip? Diyos ko. Wala bang machine?
Mayroon siyang inflator.
Kung isang buong building yung gagawa, hindi ba magkakahirap-hirap yun? Meron ba machine?
Mayroon po kaming inflator. Yun po ang machine. Yun ang gagamitin natin.
So, Ma'am, anong kailangan kapag ikaw ay, let's say, magpuput up ng ganitong simpleng...
Kailangan po natin ng yung pasensya at saka
hangin. Kasi balloon.
Kailangan po natin talagang yung anong pangalan nito? Yung, kaya ko yan.
Yung pagiging malikhain.
Oo, yung creativity, imagination natin. Kailangan nating
Anong mga design mo? Yung mga aso na balloon, di ba?
Characters, at saka mga arc, flower balloons.
Mamaya gagawin si Tito, si Daddy Blue.
Papicture natin mamaya. Sige.
Ano gagawin mo sa kanya, poodle?
Depende.
Gusto ko
gawa na lang ako ng Angry Bird.
Okay to, Angry Bird. Censored yan, censored, ha?
Angry Bird ang ano yan, ng social networking. Okay, Myra, balik tayo sa klase mo.
Di ko alam yung Angry Bird sa social networking.
Game yan. Game yan. Okay. May.
Hindi ako native eh.
Okay, my question. So, yung mga estudyante mo ngayon, ilan sila at saka how do they find your klase?
Nag-umpisa po ako nung 13th term with Sir Billy. And then, bali 2 term na po kami ngayon. So, 2 term na po ako nagtuturo. And then, nagustuhan nila kasi hindi lang pang sarili nila para sa party and para hindi na sila magre-rent ng mga magde-decorate. Sa kanila na po ang sa sarili na po nila. And then, may mga student na po ako, kagaya ni Miss Lachmi, na may business na ngayon.
Wow.
And,
natuto sa'yo, ha?
Opo.
Na business, ha? Galing.
Opo. At saka, may mga iba rin na part-time lang, kagaya ko. Pero as in pa rin.
Opo.
Okay.
So, I understand as well na ang employer nyo ibang lahi.
Binabati ko po si Mr. and Mrs. Jörg Helmeritz from German. Siya po ang pinaka-generous kong sponsors.
Are they listening right now?
Yes, they are listening right now. Hello, sir, and Ma'am Claudia.
And thank you yes. And thank you for allowing her to be with us tonight and inspire more people.
Yes.
And I hope you'll continue letting her teach how to decorate using balloons.
Yes.
And looking forward to Oktoberfest.
Drinking beer because of that. Okay, so dito sa experience mo sa pagtuturo, anong mas gusto mo, nagtuturo or maging estudyante?
Sa experience ko po sa pagtuturo is marami kang may encounter na yung parang hindi ka masyadong kagaya ko as in nasa bahay lang and then sabi nila nakatulong ba't naging trainer as in challenge ko yun.
Yes.
And then parang sige, imposible yan, makakaya ko yan. And then maraming mga nagsusupport sa akin, kagaya nila Sir Ed, sila Miss Van, at saka si Sir Luis, and then si Ate
si Lee Bautista, she's listening right now.
Hi Ma'am Lel, kumusta ka la? And that is, and then, yun, parang inspire mo sila, yung parang pag kumita lang sila ng aside from yung kinikita nila ngayon, and then more pa doon, talagang mapupush ka talagang, kaya ko din yun, yung ganun. Parang inspired din sila.
Na-inspire naman talaga kami sa iyo, okay? So, saan ka kumukuha ng mga designs?
Kung minsan nagsisearch ako, or kung minsan yung gumagana kung minsan yung creativity, yung ganun, yung imagination.
Bakit ba minsan hindi gumagana yun?
Hindi gumagana. Lalo na pag maraming iniisip.
Okay. Natatawa si Luis, Okay, so, nagsisearch din sa Google, di ba?
Nagsisearch din po ako sa Google. And then, parang, pag wala akong ginagawa, yung parang, nag-imagine lang ako, tapos sabay yung kamay ko, yung gaganon-ganon, and then after that, it's...
Yes, Art. May tanong ka.
Nag-overtime tayo.
Okay.
Mag-break tayo. So, bago tayo mag-break, birthday greetings pala kay Joven and Shen Kafirma, si Jay Hilotin, si Nestor Pagdanganan, at malapit na po ay yung second Philippine Film Festival kasi nakita ko yung pangalan ni Ria Mendoza nag-like. Bluebird, ano na uling combo number 4?
Ganun pa rin. Actually, one question, it's night. So yung katanungan, ganun pa rin. What is Max's combo meal na merong pansit canton? Yan, anong pangalan? Kung alam niyo kasagutan, send lang sa 4001. Huwag kalimutan ang pangalan. Mamaya, may winner tayo before mag-12. I-declare natin.
Filipino Rhythm. Great to be with friends and eat at Max's.
Suzanne here from Dubai Today, bringing you the Mindful Minute, a dose of perspective to those daily dilemmas with cross-cultural psychologist Samineh Shaheen.
The psychological act of hanging on to hate, resentment, and anger is referred to as bearing a grudge. There are some people who think that remaining bitter is a show of strength or victory over the disagreement. Unfortunately, this couldn't be further from the truth. Grudges, like